this smart moonlight. Came in this box, and as says in this box, is a established brightness dimming. It's have two colors, temperatures, and you can use this smart moonlight for eyelash viewer, makeup, tattoo artists, or any work like facial that you need a better light. You can use this moonlight. So this is the visual manual, and this is the way that our lamp will see. So first, let's go take off the pieces. I love that this moonlight lamp is white and pink. I love that. So look, the control is pink too, and this part of the lamp came with his charger, is this one, and with this that you can use it in your lamp to record all your works, so you can use the videos or photos that you take for your social media of your work, like tattoo, makeup, or something like that. So this is all the accessories, and let's go install it. So as you can see, this is the way my lamp works. You can move this easier. You can put it taller or lower. And with this control, you just turn it on. And you can change the type of light, cool light or warm light. And you can change the intensity too. So if you need to work in makeup or tattoo or something like that, this lamp will be so helpful for you. And this is the accessory to help me to record all my work. So I highly recommend this lamp for you. See you.